Let's make a delicious chicken drumstick curry in Instant Pot, which is gonna be a good remedy for cold and cough. Turn on the Instant Pot in saute mode and add oil and temper the whole spices. Cloves and long pepper are really beneficial to treat cold. Now roast the sliced onions with a little salt until it turns golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and roast until the raw smell disappears. And add all of the spices that are mentioned in the caption. After the spice powders are slightly roasted, add the sliced tomatoes and saute until it turns mushy. Add a little yogurt and mix well. I've cleaned and prepped 6 chicken drumsticks which are medium sized. Create 1 or 2 slits in each of those and add to the Instant Pot. Mix well with the masala and let it change color. Now add water, cancel the saute mode, pressure cook for 10 minutes on high. Add freshly crushed pepper and the delicious chicken curry is ready.